friends. Welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn about the long A and the magic E. The English language is made up of letters. These letters are divided into consonants and vowels. Let's sing the ABC song and try to find all the vowels.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job! The vowels are the letters in red: A, E, I, O, and U. The rest of the letters are consonants. Vowels are letters that have two sounds. A vowel can have a short sound. A vowel can have a long sound. When a vowel has a long sound, it says its name. Short and long A. This is a short A. It makes the A sound, like in cat or in the word mat. This is the long A. It makes the A sound, like in the word plate and in the word Maine. Magic E. Magic E is a special letter. When we put it at the end of a word with an A, it will make the short A long. A. Let's see how the magic E works its magic. Let's read this word. Cap. Cap. What will happen when we add magic E? When we add the magic E, cap becomes cape. Cape. The A turned into A. It's a cape. Let's read this word. Tap. Tap. What will happen if I add a magic E? It will become tape. Tap becomes tape. Let's read this word. Mad. Mad. What will happen when I add the magic E? It will become made. Made. The boy made a pot. Made. Can. Can. What will happen if I add a magic E? It will turn into cane. 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 Let's read this word. Man. Man. The A is short. Man. What will happen when I add the magic E? It will turn into mane. Mane. The lion has a mane. It's a long A sound. Mane. Let's read some words that have a long A. Are you ready? Cake, cake, gate, gate, game, game, lake, lake, skate, skate, plate, plate. Let's review all the long A words we have learned. Cake, gate, game, lake, skate, plate. I hope you enjoyed learning about the long A with me. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.